Imagine waking up to find out AI just painted a masterpiece, and it took seconds instead of hours or days. It's happening right now. AI art is winning competitions, going viral, and even being sold as real art. But here's the question. Is this the future of creativity or the end of artists as we know it? AI art isn't just some sci-fi concept, it's here. Apps like Midjourney, DALL-E, and Stable Diffusion let anyone create art by just typing words. People with no formal training are making stunning pieces in seconds. But is that really art? That depends on how we define creativity. AI is like a super-powered assistant that studies thousands of artworks to recognize patterns. But it doesn't think or create like a human does. It predicts what an image should look like based on the data it has seen before, kind of like an advanced autocomplete for art. While AI can generate something visually impressive, it doesn't have personal experiences, emotions, or original ideas. Those come from you. Not everyone is celebrating AI art. In fact, it's caused some heated debates. Some artists say it's stealing from real creators, scraping images without permission. Others fear it's replacing jobs. But is that true? Some companies did use artists' work without consent, leading to lawsuits. But AI-generated work isn't direct theft. It's more like learning a style. And some AI models, like Adobe's Firefly, now train only on legally sourced images. Then there's the job debate. Will AI replace artists? The truth is, AI changes jobs, it doesn't erase them. It might replace some tasks like concept sketching or simple illustrations, but it still needs human direction and vision. Instead of fearing AI, many artists are learning how to use it as a tool. AI can speed up your workflow, help with brainstorming, and push creative boundaries. Here's how. Think of AI as a creative assistant. It won't replace real artistic vision, but it can make your process faster and help bring ideas to life. So where do you stand? Is AI art a creative revolution or a problem for artists? Personally, I think AI is just another evolution, like photography once was to painters. But what do you think?